Are you thinking about going into farming? Whether you are living in abroad and thinking about going into farming, or you're living in the city and you've always had passion for farming and thinking about either starting something either in the crop farming or in the livestock farming. Today I have a crazy advice and a secret to share with you. I've been a farmer for years now and I've gained a lot of experience, but there is something that is really on top of my mind that I want to share with you guys. But before we go in there, I want to say a big thank you to all of you that have been supporting Godfred to get his education in livestock farming in South Africa. Thank you all for your donations. I know he's going to be an asset for all of us, not just for me, but for everybody that's doing livestock, that's doing crop farming. And I want to say a big thank you. If you're watching and you don't know, so Godfred is my son. He just finished high school. He's been working at this farm since the beginning with Alangwa and everybody. And right after high school, he decided to really want to spend more time here. And I decided to look for a school for him where he can gain practical knowledge in South Africa and bring it back to the continent and help our farmers here as well. So I've been putting money together to help him do that. And I know, most of you have been supporting in that. So thank you. And if you want to support, the link is below. Click on the link. There is a page that you can donate and support him go in March. And that's the plan and the time that we want to take him there. Thank you guys so much. But today I'm talking to you guys about that wants to go into livestock farming, but you're not a full farmer. I did a video a couple of weeks ago about type of farmers, right? So there are farmers, and I'm gonna summarize that. So there are farmers that are like, I have the capital, I wanna put it into the farm project, and somebody can manage it. I can even hire a farm manager, and you just do it. I'll come there once in a while and see it, and that's fine. There are other second category of farmers who are like, I really want to be a farmer, but I'm a doctor, I'm a teacher, I'm a policeman, I'm a lawyer, I live abroad, So I will start, manage it, but whenever I have time, I will come. But the goal for me is for me to come back when I retire or when I lose my job or when it's sustainable enough for me to come and be a full-time farmer. So that's second category. Then there is the last category, which is category number 3, where you have some capital. All what you have is farming. So you put all your money in it and you say, this is what I'm gonna do. Whether you're starting it small at your backyard or you have bought some land and you're starting from there, but this is all what you know and this is all what you're gonna do. So these are the 3 types of farmers. And I don't think any of them is wrong, depending on where you are. Because of course, we have investors who invest into technology, but they are not tech people. We have, investors who invest into health, but they are not from the health industry. So I think that there is still an opportunity and it's okay for people to have money and invest into agriculture if they don't want to be part of it. But those of you who really want to be part of it, I think my message to you in a summary of this video is that farming is not the job for only retirees. Most of us that watch this channel, and when you contact me, it seems like you have one leg in, one leg out, right? And when you have one leg in, one leg out, it opens you up for a lot of challenges. And if you don't take care, a loss of your investment. Because we know that what we are trying to do on this continent is not easy. And we are starting a new revolution. We are starting a different form of farming that your workers might not understand you, that the people that are supporting you doesn't even get the vision of what you're trying to do. So you have people at this level of understanding and you at this level of understanding and exposure trying to communicate what you want to do. Hi there. I hope this video has been educative and fun for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching this video. But I have a quick question for you. If today is your first time, welcome to the Semenshia family. But if this is your second, third, or fourth video, my question is, why haven't you joined our family? Please go ahead and hit the subscription button. And don't forget to also like this video so that we can grow this family that is on a journey to change the narrative of farming in Africa. Most people even think You don't even know what you're doing. They are just there because of the money. And this is true fact. I'm not trying to, talk bad about any workers and so on, but this is true fact. I've had people where I'm like, the goats don't have to go out. Keep them here. They're like, why? I want to work them. They don't understand. And people think, oh, you have money, you're wasting it on farming. Why are you even in this bush? And so on and so forth. So when you have people with that mentality, what you're doing starts with a change of mind. So it's hard. And that's why I believe if your one leg is in and one leg is out, then you're not getting your vision across, right? Most of us are seeing it as a part-time job or something that I'll do when I'm weak, when I can't think anymore, and come and rely on. Farming, just like any business, if you don't give it your full attention, it is not going to work. Anytime I am at the farm here, I see so much, I have so much that I need to show, and that is why I'm also moving straight into the farm, right? Because if you want to do it as a part-time business, as a retired business, then maybe it's not worth it, because you can put your money in stock, in crypto, in something else that will give you the return, instead of risking it with people that probably do not understand your vision, right? So I want to encourage you guys, if you really want to do farming and you're putting in more money and you want to do serious farming, then the goal for you is to be dedicated to this farm. Yes, I understand some of you are abroad, so you've bought the land. You can keep it shallow by just planting crops or cash crops, whatever that works for you, just to keep the farm and save till when you're ready to come, because it's not a profession that you could put one leg in, one leg out. And that is why most farmers are not succeeding on this continent, because we haven't dedicated fully to it. Imagine if you have all the innovation, the ideas, the time that you're spending on other things that you have into your farm. And that is why about a couple of weeks ago, I released a video about going fully into commercial goat farming, because I've realized that doing integrated farming, I spread myself too thin, and none of them is really going to make me the money that is worth my time and resources. But I believe if I'm able to focus on one, I'll be able to expand, and the money and the impact will be worth the time and effort that I will spend here at the farm and the coaching that I'll be doing here. And so as you guys can see, I am making that decision myself. And I feel most of you need to know this as well. Whether you're doing poultry, crops, and so on, there's so much you see when you are here at the farm 24/7 monitoring your farm. I have a neighbor here who came from Switzerland, and I love how the first thing he did was to build his house at the farm. He has his goats, he has his chicken, he's there 24/7, and he inspires me a lot. And that's why I'm also making this decision. And I want to share with you, because it is not a retirement job. It's time we give farming the importance that it needs to be able to survive, make us profit. And that profit, yeah, you will make money, but it will also inspire other people to also go into farming. And that's why I'm sharing this video with you. Go into the comment section, let me know what you guys think. But I think if you can, drop it, because it is definitely going to be lucrative, especially with where the economy is going and everything that is happening. People are going to eat, people are going to rely on people like us to be able to feed themselves and feed their family as well. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.